Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video today. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'm finally doing the highly requested how to make your perfume last all day, all night, pretty much as long as you want it. So if you want to see or hear what I have to say, please keep on watching. In case you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. In fact, as I'm seeing you now, you know you like me and I like you too, so just click it there, you know, and let's proceed with the video. So if you like to see what I advise and my tip that works all the way, all the time for my perfumes to last pretty much 24 hours, please keep on watching, guys. This is a perfume that we're going to be using. The perfume is called Black Opium. I showed you guys in my haul. Let me bring it up close. I showed you guys in my haul for my birthday when I bought this perfume, and I absolutely love the coffee note. Oh my goodness, this perfume makes me happy all the time. I absolutely love the coffee notes in this perfume. My only con would be that about this perfume is that it doesn't last long on me, maybe because it's the Nigerian weather, how warm and humid it is, but this perfume does not last long on me. So I tried this hack, which I've always known, like maybe since when I was in high school or early university. I found out this tip and it's been working for me ever since. So I'm not going to ramble so much here. I'm going to keep this video short, sweet and simple. No need to drag it for more than it has to go. The trick is, you know how most perfumes are made of alcohol. So I don't know if they would write it here, but most eau de parfums are made of alcohol. So that's why when you spray it, it evaporates quickly, it goes into the atmosphere, it pretty much dries up instantly. You don't have like a oil stain or oil patch or something on your skin. That's the same thing with that's why it doesn't last long. That's what I'm trying to say, yes, before I get a brain fart now. But that's why it doesn't last long on the skin or when you spray it on. I feel like because of the alcohol content in it, it evaporates and leaves the skin really quickly. It's pretty much alcohol content, and that's like the majority part in which it is to mix the notes of this fragrance together, and as with all other fragrances as well, or most other fragrances. So the trick, or the number one tip I was going to say, where I learned how to make this perfume last, or any perfume last, is, you know, the thing with oil staying longer on the skin than water. So you see, how do I explain it now? Like during the Harmattan now or winter now, you kind of seal in the moisture using Vaseline. People that like to use Vaseline, petroleum jelly, cream, shea butter, shea oils, any type of oil is fine, but you kind of use it to seal in the moisture in your skin so that you don't end up looking ashy and crusty. That's because the moisture the oil doesn't evaporate as quickly as water or alcohol, so it tends to last longer on the skin. So that's why you see, if you have oil perfumes and you've tried to use them and you end up smelling them on your skin like the next day or still in your clothes, because they last really long. And yeah, there are a lot of oil perfume vendors now in Nigeria, which I'm very happy for. I have a few oil perfumes, but I'd love to try out more. If you know a really bombast one, link them down below, comment them down below. So that's it, guys. That's the trick, that's the tip. Let your oils hold your perfume. So I used to do this with a Victoria's Secret vanilla cream, but that has finished and I haven't been able to see where to buy it from again here in Nigeria. So I used that vanilla perfume, that vanilla scented cream. I used it with a vanilla perfume. I can't remember what the name of the vanilla perfume was, but anyway, I used it with that vanilla perfume, and guys, the alcohol in the perfume would accentuate the vanilla in the cream or whatever you're using, and it smells heavenly, and the cream sort of holds on to that alcohol scent that you sprayed on, and it stays on your skin pretty much 24 hours. Now I use the cream when I'm like going out, or you know, just somewhere fancy and I want to smell nice all day, or I have a long day. But if I really want the perfume to perform heavy duty, I go in with my vitamin E oil. So This is pure vitamin E oil, and it's really good. I use it for my skin, I use it for my nails, I use it for my hair. And if you know the benefits of vitamin E oil, you know what I'm talking about. Let me bring it up close. So pretty much try to get any heavy carrier oil. So shea oils, lemongrass oils are really good as well. Jasmine oil is very nice, but this vitamin E oil doesn't have any fragrance, so that is why I like it the most, because you can pretty much use it on any perfume. So you see where you have oil that is heavily scented, maybe it's heavily scented with lemon or vanilla or something, and you put a perfume that has notes that are clashing with that oil, it won't be nice. So I would advise, if you can't get your hands on this, get shea butter or shea oil. That's the second best thing I advise you to get compared to this. I don't like coconut oil, please don't attack me, but I don't like it. But if you like the smell of coconuts, then please by all means go ahead and use that with your perfume. So what I like to do is just to take it and basically on my pulse points and everywhere I pretty much, the pulse points is where like has tiny like beats and motion. I don't know how to explain it, but this is a pulse point. You can feel your heartbeat here. You can kind of feel your heartbeat here. I don't know how to explain it, but if they stab you or whatever here, you have a lot of loss of blood and it can kill you. So blood flows through here, and that gentle beat from your heart, that's the pulse point as well. And then your neck, is it the jugular or where? Well, you shall get what I'm saying. So I put this oil on all those points. I might not show you because I'm wearing a sweater, but I'll show you on, like, I'll demo it for you guys on these areas. That's it. And then I go ahead and spritz the perfume there, right on that oil I've placed, and I rub the wrist on together. If I were to put it here, I rub it in as well, and then I rub behind my ear. And what this is going to do is that it's going to hold on to this perfume. Like you would smell this perfume on you the next day. Trust me, I would have my bath, I'm still smelling this perfume on me the days I do this stuff with it. If you want to go extra as you're like creaming your body, you know when you squirt on the cream on your hand, spray this into the cream, rub it all over your body. Like, that's the extra mode. I do that sometimes when I'm going for some kind of like event or whatever. I do that if I want to smell amazing all around. Like, this perfume smells, I don't even know the words used to describe this perfume. It's very close to my La Vie est Belle from Lancôme, but that one is sitting on a very high throne that nobody can bring down. I ordered some new perfumes for myself for Christmas. That's how you get your perfume to last all day. Use oil to seal it in, to lock it in, and it will stay put. It will not go anywhere. And if you're lucky enough, if you're able to get a complementing cream or oil that has the same scent or top notes as your perfume, that's an amazing combo. And your perfume is not going nowhere, guys, nowhere. Try it and see. And then now during the winter Harmattan period where you're wearing sweaters, you're not really sweating as much, your perfume is even going to last even longer because the perfume doesn't dissipate as much from your body. So guys, that completes the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it up until this point and you learned something on how to make your perfumes last longer. If you do try this tip or hack out and it works for you, I'd really love to know. Send me a message on Instagram, on YouTube here. I'd like to know. Leave a comment still on this video if you tried it out and it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching once again up until this point. Please share this video in case you enjoyed it on your stories. I love to repost when you guys repost me on your stories, so please post on your stories in case you enjoyed watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.